Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Porsche 911 GT2 and this is a 24 hours Lemans 1998 edition, and this is kind of a limited edition run, so you can see it here. And so this is my first TARMAC actually. So and this is a collab with Shuko. So let me just unbox and see how this one looks. So I never owned a TARMAC before or even Shuko models, so I just thought of buying this one and see how it looks. Okay, I think it is bolted down here. So just give me 1 second guys, let me just get my screwdriver and unbolt this one. So just give me 1 second. Okay guys, so here it is. So it honestly took a lot more than a minute. So it was screwed very tight and it was really irritating to remove this thing. So the first impressions of this car are this looks really nice. So I'm personally PlayStation fan, specifically a Sony fan. I do own a PlayStation 4. So I do miss Spider-Man 2 because it is out now and I don't have a PS5. I am not in a position to buy a PS5. It is costing around 45,000, 45 to 48,000. So they do have some kind of headlights, plastic for headlights here. So the vinyls looks really nice. The wrapping is really nice. So this is my first tarmac, like I have already mentioned. So I'm glad to see that the wheels are actually rollable. So it is nothing like 64 or GT64 or 64 or Para 64 in that matters. So the spoiler is actually made of metal. So let's see the tail lights. So the tail lights are actually made of some kind of plastic. So you can see the detailing here on top of that it is written as Porsche and Gran Turismo. So it has some awesome interior detailing to it. You can see it, I guess, and I really love this one for that. I really apologize for the noise guys. There are a lot of stray dogs in my area and it is really getting irritating nowadays. Okay, the rear view mirrors are actually made of metal. It is not any plastic or any kind of what you can say, the silicon kind of material which you see in mini GT. So this costed me around 1,500 if I'm not wrong. So I bought this from Cars and Dolls. So here's the bottom part. So the bottom is actually, I think, yeah, it is made of metal. It is not plastic. It is made of metal and it has some great detailing to it. So here it is mentioned as Shuko. So it doesn't mention as a tarmac. So I know it's a collab, but I never thought they don't mention their name itself here. Okay, let's see if it has any suspension. No, it doesn't have any suspension. Okay, the wheels are actually pretty close to that you know rims here. The fenders are really close, so it is actually touching a little. It is not touching, but it is really close, it touches when you move the wheels a little bit here, but it is still rollable and it does look, the wheels have some kind of wobble. So let's do a roll test and see how it is. Yeah, this does not roll well at all. So this is supposed to be a static model. You are not supposed to play with it. So just like a display model. So you are not supposed to play with this one. And it's an adult collectible. If you guys are wondering, if anyone actually, didn't buy Tarmac so far. So I personally prefer Tarmac because it comes around the same range as Mini GT, somewhere around 1100, around 1200, around that range. So only this kind of collab models cost a little bit more. I think around 1600, 1500 to 1600 range. So it's a closer look at the wrapping. So this is the wiper here, I guess so. The detailing looks pretty nice actually, compared to even the mini GT for the same price, this looks really nice. So specifically the interior details, since it's in white in color and it really pops, you can actually see it in the camera if I'm not wrong. So literally everything is made of metal in this one. Only thing which is made of plastic is the headlights and taillights and the interior. That's it. So rest everything, the chassis and the body both are actually made of metal. So I personally love this piece. So if you get a chance to buy this one, just go ahead and buy it. This, specifically who are like PlayStation fan or Gran Turismo fans. I personally recommend you guys to buy this. Again, I don't have any association with this brands or any of the website which I'm buying. So I'm just telling you guys so that you can also go ahead and buy it. Without getting into the hands of scalpers.